Welcome back to University Track. Today, we're exploring the best affordable engineering universities in India. If you're looking for quality education without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Number 1. First up, we have Jadhavpur University in Kolkata. Known for its strong engineering programs, Jadhavpur offers annual fees around INR 10,000 to 15,000. With a range of B.Tech disciplines and extensive scholarship opportunities, it's a top choice for many students. They offer merit-based scholarships, state and central government scholarships, and have excellent facilities including modern labs, libraries, and hostels. It is ranked between 721 to 730 in QS World University Ranking. Number 2. Next, we have Anna University in Chennai. Offering fees around 50,000 Indian rupees per year, Anna University is renowned for its engineering programs. Admissions are through TNEA, based on 12th standard marks. Anna University provides scholarships for economically weaker sections and merit-based scholarships. Their facilities include extensive libraries, research centers, and sports complexes. It is ranked 383 in QS World University Ranking. Number 3. Moving on to the Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. ICT offers engineering programs with fees approximately 85,000 rupees per year. Admissions are through JEE or MHTCET. ICT provides merit-based and need-based scholarships, along with advanced research labs, libraries, and industry collaborations. It is ranked between 151 to 200 in chemical engineering according to QS ranking in all over the world. Number 4. Delhi Technological University, or DTU, offers a range of B.Tech programs with annual fees around 1.9 lakhs rupees. Admissions are through JEE and JAC Delhi Counseling. DTU provides merit and need-based scholarships. Their campus features modern labs, libraries, hostels, and sports facilities. It is ranked between 701 to 750 in QS Asian University Ranking. Number 5. The College of Engineering, Pune, also known as COEP, offers B.Tech B.E programs with fees around 90,000 rupees per year. Admissions are through MHTCET or JEE. COEP offers state government and merit-based scholarships. The campus includes state-of-the-art laboratories, libraries, and sports facilities. Number 6. Veermata Jijabai Technological Institute in Mumbai offers B.Tech B.E programs with annual fees around 82,000 rupees. Admissions are through MHTCET. VJTI provides various state and central government scholarships, with excellent research labs, libraries, and sports facilities. Number 7. The Government College of Engineering in Aurangabad offers BE programs with fees around 70,000 rupees per year. Admissions are through MHTCET. They provide government scholarships for SC Cent OBC EWS students, with well-equipped labs, libraries, and sports facilities. Number 8. Lastly, we have Osmania University in Hyderabad, offering B.Tech programs with fees around INR 25,000 to 30,000 per year. Admissions are through TS EAMCET. Osmania University offers state government and merit-based scholarships, with comprehensive libraries, laboratories, and hostels. It is ranked between 1201 to 1400 in QS World University Ranking. These universities provide quality education at affordable prices, making them accessible to a broad range of students. Don't forget to apply for scholarships, consider state quota admissions, and look into education loans to further reduce costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to University Track for more educational content. Let us know in the comments which university you are interested in, and we'll see you in the next video.